So you want to go very light with this because, girl, we want to look like a doll, but we don't want to be Raggedy Ann, okay? Hold on. I take it all back. You know what? It's so important. Beauty is so important. Today, we're going to be doing a video on how to make your eyes like a Asian doll. Oh. How I do extensions. I'm going to actually be trying these out. I got this on Amazon. And these are like single lashes. Oh my gosh, you know what? You can see. So the next thing, I'm going to be trying these out. I like these because unlike the other ones that are single stranded, this one here comes in a bunch and they are flat band. So I'm assuming that they will sit nicely on my lash. Okay, everybody, I'm so excited and I can't deny it. Lashes, well, they are supposed to be semi-permanent, so, you know, obviously, as you can see, my eyelashes, they are almost non-existent. What I'm going to do is grab this glue. I'm just going to use this container and pour some of the glue on it. There you go, a little dropping here. Cover that up. You don't want that to just spill over, unless you want that to spill over, then hey, it's your life. These are hard because I don't have very many lashes, and so for it to actually even stick to the lash itself, that's kind of a difficult thing to do. But I also drenched it with lots of glue, so that could also be an issue. So you may want to wait for it to get a little sticky. Okay, so yeah, I try to, you know, put my best foot forward, and I'm just gonna try to do my best, and because I have people watching me. But normally, my effort level would probably not be this high. From my experience, first time using these, so I may not stay as long as these ones do because they're single strand. These types of lashes, obviously the glue makes a difference. This is a really cheap glue. And why am I talking smack? I do want to put on the ends to kind of blush out my lash line out to create the dolly effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and be filling out the ends with the longer millimeters. So I'll be using probably 13 or 14. When you see the glue and stuff hardening right here, there's little glue. And sometimes I get the glue will get stuck to your lower lashes, so you just gotta clean that off. Not a problem. And I'm satisfied. So again, it's all about your preference. These are called eye tapes. So I got these on Amazon. This here, my friend, is for those who have what they call hooded eyes. So you would put this on your eye, which I will be doing, to make there be a crease. Look, this is what it does. And you're gonna stick this on here. Okay, it's really simple. Out of all the other eye tapes I've tried, you know, with some that are pre-cut, I actually like this one because it stays hidden. And you just have a lot more control over that, especially if you're going to be wearing makeup. The thinner the strip, the better. She's all right. I know I'm like all over the place, but that's okay. These are colored contour. I got these from, I normally order them from iCandy, so I'll drop the website below.
It's so adorable. They come in a very cute little packaging here. This one is a bigger box because it's got a couple of pairs. They can either come in prescription or non-prescription. It does have a very great effect to create that bigger, dolly, dilated pupil eye. Now, I know that sounds really bad, but you'll see. If you like the style, keep watching.
So cute. These are some of the contact cases that they come with for free, and these are so adorable. Gosh, wouldn't you just get these eye contacts just for the case? And they have little animals. So this one here is a fish. Okay, and these are little piggies. These are ones that I haven't opened yet, but I will open ASMR. Cute hippopotamus. Open up the box and they have a little note saying thank you, which makes me, everything about this is so cute. The enjoyment of unwrapping this, okay? And then the details, look at that. And like I said, it's affordable prices, and something about this packaging is just so adorable. I believe it's a Korean brand, or in Korea, made in Korea. There we go. This is, I believe, the color. And again, I'll try to look up the name. Look at this little. So these are a little bit difficult to open, and for good reason. You don't want to have yours being sent with an open seal, but you have to be a little careful. It's almost like opening up a can. And of course I messed it up. How? Well, basically, it's getting real. Comes in with the liquid, and we shall see. We'll put them in my gray. Whoa! My bad. Ta-da! Any cents? Okay, so. Whoa, shoot! What a trip! Wow! Wow! Whoa! Again, super comfortable. I love these contacts. They're really comfortable. Okay, hours. Oh my gosh! But these are super comfortable. So, wow! Woo! See that light? See, wow. What? You know what? Oh my gosh, today I want to wear these. But I just realized that I would probably want to wait until I actually get my hair done, and then I actually want to bleach my eyebrows a little bit, because that is specifically actually what the Gyaru doll or fashion is really about. They are black, so you can see. These are, believe it or not, my everyday circle lens. My eye color is actually like a dark brown chestnut in the sun, and black does really well, it actually looks quite natural in my opinion. That is my new do. It's like it's like pieces literally on my you'll see the difference. That bow dilated eye look, the dolly look I should say. And so this one here again is very simple, black circle lenses, and I'll try to find the picture. I'll put the website below. If you like these, then you know, be sure to order yourself some. These are fairly affordable. Again, they are prescription. These were like about 20s, in the 20s, 20 to 25 dollar range for a pair. So, and they're also 1 year disposable. And I'll pick one to my Dolly Eye makeup with. So we'll just see which one I like best. So I hope you guys are having a great day today. I kind of got off to a slow start, but that's okay. Motherhood. It says motherhood powered by Jesus, fueled by love, and sustained by coffee. Can we get an amen to that? Because okay, we're moving on. This one here, you can see that the color, it's lighter, so that makes sense because these do have that tinge of like orange yellow to it, like burnt yellow, mustard color. There's an easier way, but cap. Should I make like mini flower arrangements? Let me know. Again, oh wow, this is actually more natural. These are natural. I never would have thought that they would look so natural. They make like kind of snaky, like kind of like green. This, oh my gosh, I like everything. I'm having a really good day so far. You feel me? Except for all of this. And this is why I'm single, people, and because also I don't have any painted nails. Geo. So they have different brands of brand. Oh, you sucker. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, you guys are not gonna believe this. You guys, this is why you just gotta try. You know, you gotta play around. You know, I'm telling myself this, by the way. I'm just preaching to myself because this is something, again, this is really trippy, and I'll tell you guys why. Like, okay, so it still gives me that dolly eye effect, right? Because this eye does look bigger than this one. Oh sis, but ow, it actually has like a film of like, what is that, white or
like a tinge
of like a almost like a mint green. Wow, this is really trippy. This is nice because why? Because here we go, see the bright light, okay, but the problem is these are not that comfortable. I don't know if it's just this specific contact. Right up my eye. Like I had an eye wedgie. Like I had like flipped the wrong way. Duh. Hey girl, hey girl, eye user. I feel like I have grayish, natural gray eyes. Wow, I love it. These are gonna create different looks. Like to me, like this feels more like a fall look. This is mysterious. You might scare someone or you seduce them depending on the kind of man that you're trying to attract. Not trying to attract a mysterious man today. This is dangerous. I need to be careful. It's like pretty, but beware. Prettiest things are like the craziest. Japanese eyebrow products. We've got eyelashes.
We got everything.
So we're gonna have a lot of fun today.